Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bree here, and how are you guys doing? It is February 15th and it snowed again in Texas, but only this time we had a blizzard. And Texas is not built for that type of weather, so our power went out. I'm pretty sure it's not just us, but it is freezing. I'm trying to check the weather right now, but it says winter storm warning. It's frozen. We don't have a chimney at our house, so there is no way we're able to stay warm. And the only way that we are able to stay warm is by using blankets. And at the most perfect time, my phone decided to not work. So it's only been working when there's Wi-Fi, and I haven't been able to go fix it because of the weather. Yeah, I think I'm gonna find a new hobby today, and that is gonna be reading. I have several books that I have, and I started reading, but I never finished reading because I'm not really into reading. Also, it's Monday, and I have a lab due today. But I'm pretty sure the professor will understand, right? I'm a little stressed, just a tad. I'm really not sure what today is gonna be like. I'm gonna bring you guys along. At 1 o'clock, I was supposed to take pictures with my neighbor, but I do not think that is gonna happen. Long story short, enjoy this vlog. Oh, and I didn't charge the camera, so I'm only gonna use the battery that it has because obviously the power doesn't work. Enjoy until the camera dies. My sister gonna come in here and say the power went out.
We're gonna have a storm.
She said this is my worst fear. Why? Like, you've seen this in the movies?
Like, you have nothing to eat because like the
Okay, but we have stuff to eat.
Okay, but the fridge doesn't work and the food is in there. And what are we gonna eat?
We're gonna be eating snow by the end of this. Hey, snow's pretty good though. You can't lie. What are we gonna put on it?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Happy birthday.
Love you. My grandpa. We're gonna hit up your house later. I don't know how we're gonna get to your house, but we're gonna get there.
Open the
We
door
frozen. So yesterday was my brother John's birthday.
Yes, sir.
And yesterday was also Valentine's Day. John, do you have a Valentine? Mom's not here, you can tell me.
Nope.
My mom got me this teddy bear and this balloon for Valentine's Day. Oh, she's so sweet. It was John's birthday, right? I made him a cake, and it was actually really bomb. So hit me up for y'all's cake orders if you guys would like.
It's a go! Yeah!
Our power is back! Our power is back! We're not gonna freeze!
A few moments later.
I spoke way too soon. The light is off again. Alright guys, so the power is still out, and I decided that I'm gonna read this book. I started it like last year, but I never finished it. It looks like it has a thick bookmark. I opened it, and it's actually a rose that somebody had given me, and I totally forgot I put it in here, so thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm about to read. I'm actually here with John. Look at him in his little robe. And we both have our stuffed lions. He's gonna play Minecraft and I'm gonna read. And not gonna lie, I might fall asleep, John.
Yeah, I know.
So if I fall asleep, you're gonna wake me up, okay?
Yeah.
Many hours later.
Update! I fell asleep. It is 6 o'clock. The power is still out. My toes are cold. But we're good. My mom is making caldo de res, so it's gonna be super good. I colored a sheet of paper with John, and I was having some chicharrones.
Tell me who is better. Just tell me. At the comments below, please.
Okay.
Ready? So, do you like number 1, which is A, or do you like number 2, which is B?
Let us know in the
Let
comments
us
below. What does the winner win?
Winner gets the loser to do their drawers or
Drawers?
not drawers.
Chores?
Chores.
Our sister Kylie is
Still sleeping.
Still sleeping.
She like a bear in the winter.
Everybody sleep over at Kylie's room. Hey guys. It's currently 8:27, but I think we're gonna go to sleep early so we won't be bored. I will update you guys tomorrow and see if the power is back, but it's supposed to get to about 1 degree tonight, so it's gonna be freaking cold. Hi guys, I look so bad. It is 10:39 and our power came back like a couple of minutes ago. I think our house is the only one that got power back. Let me see if I can show y'all. Can't even see. Yeah, I can't. Look at Wendy. Okay. Bruh. Where are you going? Oh my god. Yeah, it's like 8 degrees right now. Oh, it's just yeah, it's 7 degrees outside. And our house is 51 degrees right now. It's freezing. I took a melatonin because I can't fall asleep. So I'm about to knock out and I will update you guys in the morning and see if we still have power. Good night.
Following day.
Good morning. It is about 10 a.m. and it is 8 degrees outside. Our power didn't even last 30 minutes last night. It is 35 degrees inside my house. We're thinking about going to my grandma's because she still has light, but we don't know how we're gonna get there because it was 0 degrees at 5 a.m. and I'm pretty sure the roads are not safe to drive on right now, so we're just gonna wait till the sun does its thing. Maybe might melts the road a little bit. Our pipe for the water broke, so we have no water. Oh my god. It's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing. It's the only way we're staying warm. It looks beautiful, but
Close the windows, it's gonna get more cold.
Shut up.
No, Mom, if we're in the shade, it's gonna be even more cold.
yeah, when you let sun in. Can y'all notice that us Texans don't know what to do in times like these?
Sorry.
You see that coming out of my mouth? That's how cold it is. I can't do this anymore. It is too cold. My toes are freezing. We ate. It is 11:18. I'm gonna read out loud to my mom. I made it to page 6 yesterday. I'm thinking twice about ever visiting Colorado, if I'm being honest. I've always said that I wanted to go, but I don't know if I want to go anymore. Oh, and last night it hit 0 degrees. I don't know if I already said that, but God. But you know what? All of this was a sign from God. We can't stay our butts home. So he was like, all right, I'm going to send a snowstorm to all y'all Texans since y'all can't stay home. Man, look at us suffering the consequences because we don't listen. I'm sorry, but it ain't so common. In my whole 19 years of living, it had never hit 0 degrees.
Negative 0 degrees.
Oh my God, me and my mom are fighting about this. You guys, right? It's 0 degrees, not negative 0 degrees, because it's 3, 2, 1, 0, then -1. But Wendy swears. Wendy swears it's 3, 2, 1, -0, -1.
Negative 0 degrees.
I'm gonna need the people to comment. What do y'all think? Cause I know at school, like it's the X and Y axis, right? And it's like 0. There was never a -0. But she says that it said -0 on the temperature.
Brianna, we're talking about temperature.
Same thing. It's numbers.
No,
Yes.
it was -0 at 5 a.m. in the morning.
No.
So it was just 0 degrees
Yeah.
at 5 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, we missed The Bachelor last night. Oh my god. Matt James can put a ring on this finger.
Brianna, shut up.
What?
Say nothing, primero.
I can't. I haven't showered in a day and a half. I feel so disgusting. My toes are freezing, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. I bet all of y'all who don't sleep with socks on, I bet y'all slept with socks on last night, huh? Yeah. Calling us weird. How is that not normal? I sleep with socks all the time, even when it's not cold. Y'all weird. Oh, we were talking about, like, my mom had brought up that, we don't know when this was, but when a plane had, like, crashed in the middle of nowhere and humans started eating each other. And so my mom was like, who would y'all eat first? And I'm like, you. You. Duh. She's the one with the most meat. Scrumptious looking.
It's all fat. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled.
I was like, I think we'd feel less bad if we only eat one person. You know? Which is mom. She has the most meat.
Feed off Fabio.
Yeah.
Just one person.
That's enough. Enough for us or for the rest of like 4 days.
Vergüenza te voy a dar. Yo que te doy de tragar, me quieres tragar a mí.
So right now, we are going inside my dad's ranch. Hello. Oli. Dad, if a chicken flies out, sí hay. Están craqueados de lo frío que está. Aquí no hay. Go get your eggs. They bursted because it's so cold.
Estos son de Madonna, ¿sí ves? ¿Por qué tan blancos? Métete adentro, grábalos.
Me da miedo. No, I don't want to go in.
¿Por qué? A ver, qué miedo, si tengo que enseñar que
I'm
casi 20 años.
scared.
No sé nada.
Why y'all screaming at me? I ain't even finna step in.
Ven,
No.
voy a decir que gracias.
De aquí le digo gracias.
Gracias por la comidita.
Thanks for the eggs. Y'all real ones. Y'all real ones. So, who's who? ¿Es hombre?
Sí, es el gallo.
¿Cómo se llama él?
Él se llama Máximo.
Ok, Máximo. ¿Y este blanco?
Ella se llama Madonna.
Madonna. ¿Y la negra?
Celia Cruz.
Celia Cruz. ¿Y la de allá atrás?
Niurka Marcos, la aventurera.
¿Y esta?
Esa se llama Silvia Pinal.
Okay. How did you name all these chickens?
Pues por la vida que ellos han tenido. Así como van, así es muy...
¿Y cómo sabes que han vivido como Celia Cruz y como...?
No, por el color. Es que ella es cubana
Ajá.
y esta es de Estados Unidos. La otra es mexicana.
You're dumb. Juan Gabriel. Oh, sí sabe. Mira por qué volteó la cabeza. Juan Gabriel.
¿Eh?
Hi, Grandpa.
Ya estamos aquí.
Hi, guys. We finally made it to my grandma and grandpa's house, safe and sound. I am currently in my aunt's bathroom, but she got married and moved out. So it's like super empty. I'm about to shower. Be right back once I'm showered. In 3, 2, 1. Done and showered. There are so many people that are in the cold and that have no water, but thankfully here me and my fam are warm, and I know people have it really rough out there right now, so we've been praying for them, and hopefully the light and power is able to come back very soon. But it is supposed to snow again 100%. Not Xavier calling me. Have I seen The Rain?
The Ring, the movie The Ring.
No, I have not.
You're like that demon off The Ring.
What? Because of my hair?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, I'm actually vlogging right now.
What's up, guys? Follow me on Instagram, X for Prez. Yeah, I'm a stock investor. Dog breeder, shoe retailer. So just hit me up.
Quit lying. He's a bum. He doesn't do anything. Right now, I think I'm about to do homework and just chill with the fam, but I will update you guys later. I'm about to talk to Xavier and see what he wants. He's always bugging. Update you later. Alright guys, it is 11:12 and did a little bit of homework and we're about to go to sleep. I wanted to take pictures tomorrow in the snow, but the weather says that it's supposed to snow all day tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But until then, I will update you guys tomorrow.
7:59 a.m.
It is February 17th. It's a Wednesday today. It was snowing all last night and I think it is still snowing. Woke up really warm, super blessed to have a good night's sleep. Yesterday and the day before, I remember having to keep my blanket over my head because it was so cold up here. The plan for today, I have homework due today, so I'm for sure gonna work on that. But I also want to take pictures today. I was catching up on all of my social media and there are a lot of people without power and water, so if you're watching this, I hope you did your prayer and prayed for those people because this cold is not it. A lot of people are suffering right now. I'll bring you guys along and see what we do later today.
A few moments later.
I'm currently trying to do a TikTok, my first TikTok ever. You guys should go follow me. I'll put it down right here. Follow me, it might be up, I don't know, it depends if I like it or not. You guys, I do not think I'm gonna be taking pictures anytime soon. It's a blizzard going on out here. Womp womp womp.
Following day.
Hey guys. It is the next day. I'm about to get ready to finally take pictures out in the snow. So right now I'm about to brush my teeth again, curl my hair, and then once I'm doing my makeup, I will update you guys what happened yesterday since I didn't vlog. But until then, I will see you guys once my hair is done in 3, 2, 1. So this is what it looks like. Once I do my makeup, then I'll run my fingers through it. Alright, so we're about to do our makeup. I did more homework and then I ate, and then at night we watched church service. And then after church service, I finished up a discussion for physics. And then after, my head was hurting, so I decided to go to sleep. And then this morning, I woke up, ate a Jell-O, took a test for humanities, and then ate spaghetti, and now we're up here getting ready. So while I get ready, you guys please enjoy this time lapse of me doing my makeup. By the way, I'm using this Huda Beauty in the shade Pound Cake setting spray. Now I'm going to be using the foundation Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 125. The Power Foundation. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer and Light Sand. Now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. matte camo concealer, also in the also in the shade Light Sand. Bruh, I was gonna use your new thing, but I put powder on. Does it matter? Oh well, I'm gonna try this. This is my first time using, what is this called, Kylie?
A contour stick?
Yes, this is my first time using a contour stick, but it's not even a contour stick because it's like a concealer, but it's just a darker shade. It's alright.
Put your arms around me. I'm not gonna listen. We could have been.
Okay. the shade Stone.
"24 hours later."
Hi guys! Would you like to tell them the dead birdie that you found?
The animals died in this
Freaking weather.
weather.
So now we're heading back home to get more clothes because we have light at our house but not water. I just want to let y'all know we squish.
I don't know why you swoosh, because there is room here, ma'am.
Y'all, look at what we're listening to music.
I'm looking out the window, that's why.
Yeah, the boom box, the boom box.
¿Tu estéreo? La música es
It's the boom box.
It's a boom box.
Bro, we got Bluetooth up in here too. Oh! Oh, shoot. When we get to the house, I'm finna show y'all this little old truck.
¿Tiene frío o qué?
Yeah, it's cold.
No, te le prendo aquí la chimenea.
No, prefiero llegar que explotar.
We finna blow up. That's the heater.
¿Is that okay? ¿Así siempre la hacen?
Sí.
Oh!
Carlos, what are you doing?
Do it again, do it again.
No,
He's safe.
keep playing. ¿Qué fue eso que tronó?
La caja de
We're
herramientas.
making a donut, bro. Chill out. Alright. The moment of truth. You need to stand over there with your truck. ¿Cómo se llama tu troca?
Esta se llama. Ahorita la traigo para nombre la incondicional. Me lleva para todos lados, pero.
Pero, ¿qué dijiste cuando veníamos para acá? ¿Que esta troca te llevaba para dónde?
Alaska, Colorado
Y para atrás.
y para atrás. Va y viene.
¿Y sí aguanta llegar hasta allá y venir?
A todo lo que da.
Look at this. I'm stepping on it and it's moving. Oh gosh. Wow. Oh, look at the moon. Y'all give me $5 each if I jump in this pool right now. Deal or no deal? Should I? Should I? Man, I'm not even that heavy. I'm pretty sure I can like ice skate in there. But I don't want to. I could, but I don't want to. Y'all look at these icicles. Dang, this one was deep. Oh my god. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. It's cold. My teeth. Dang. Let's try more ice, shall we? My teeth. My hands. Ugh. Ugh. I didn't fart. That was that was the snow. It tastes it tastes like snow. Yeah, I know. I just want to say I'm sorry because I've been looking really bad these past few days in this snow vlog, but like that's just the reality when there's snow in Texas, you know? Nobody was prepared for this at all. I mean, we should have been because the weather was like telling us over and over, but we really didn't think it'd get this bad. Mis respetos for the snow. Yeah. And my dream of going to Alaska and Colorado one day is over.
The next day.
You guys, it is February 20th and my family and I are finally back at home, and truly I can say that I now know when people say that there is no place like home, because there is literally no place like home. It feels so good to be in your own room, in your own bed, and even use your own bathroom. I do want to say though, in all seriousness, that if you live in Texas and if you watch my vlogs, I want to say to you and your family that I really hope you guys all stayed safe during this time, during the snow. And I do want to encourage you to keep praying for all those people that did have it way worse than us, and for the people who lost their lives during this time, because Texas was not prepared at all. And honestly, I think you and I can both agree too that lesson learned, you know? For me personally, and I'm gonna try to change on this, Lord knows, so God help me, I will never complain about Texas weather again. If you live in Texas, you also know that in a day, in the morning it can be so beautiful, during the day it can be super humid, and at night it could be raining. Just like that. But I think I'd rather prefer that than feel like my toes are gonna chop off from the cold. And you know, anything that is sent our way to either me or you, we all know that all of that is from God. So only He knows why He sent this. But if you made it up until here though, shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching. After burp. Y'all know I can't burp out loud. Like I can't burp like that. I don't know. I've never burped like that ever in my life. I don't know how. I've tried to, but I can't. Like my I don't know what it is, my throat won't let me. I don't know, it's weird. So every time I burp, it's like air in my mouth. Oh my god, that's so gross. But for real, if you guys made it up until here, shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching. I know this vlog was kind of a long one, but I really hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Si tú no vuelves